Hello 5th class students, my name is Jagpreet Kaur and I am your English teacher in this session, that is 2020 to 21. Today we will do a new topic, that is from English 1, chapter number 7, the noun number. Read the following sentences. Number 1, the boy was throwing a stick at the dog. Number 2, the boys were throwing sticks at dogs. Now in first sentence, there was one boy and he is throwing one stick at the one dog. Now in second sentence, boy is changed into boys, stick change into sticks, and dog change into dogs. So in first sentence, they were talking about singular things, boy, stick and dogs, and the second sentence it is understood that there is more than one boy, so it is boys, and more than one stick, so it is sticks, and more than one dog, so it is dogs. Now see this picture. In first picture, in this box it is only one pencil, so it is a pencil, it is singular. Now in this big box there are so many pencils, or you can say more than one pencils, so it is pencils, so it is the plural form. Okay, now in second box there is only one chair, so it is singular form. Now in the another box there are 1 2 3 4 5 chairs, so there are more than one chair, so it is the plural of the chair. Now countable noun can be singular or plural. Now the next question is how to form plural forms. Most nouns form their plural by adding s in the end. So singular form and plural form. Here is the bag, so I will simply add s, so it is plural of the bag. Now balloons, I will simply add s to make it plural form. Then faces, flowers. Noun that end in ch, sh, sh or x form their plural by adding es to the singular. So here is the example. Beach, it is ending with ch, so I will simply add es to make its plural form. Then church, it is ending with ch, so I will add es to make its plural form. So another example, bus, it is ending with s, so I will simply add es to make it plural form. So another example, fox, I will add ex to make it plural. Now noun that end in y form their plurals by changing y into ias. So y will be changed into ias. So there are some rules, so we have to follow them. Army, it is ending with y, so I will add ies armia. So city, I will add ies in the place of y. Now here I will take story, I will add eys in the place of y. But noun that end in vowel plus y form their plurals by adding s to the singulars. Now boy, I will add s only. Boys. Chimney, chimneys. Day, days. Toy, toys. Tray, trays. Nouns that end in f or fe form their plurals by changing F or FE into VES. So there is another rule, calf. It is ending with F. So I will add VES in the place of F. And now it will become calves. Now scarf. It is ending with F. So I will add VES in the space of F. Now some nouns that end in F or FE form their plurals by adding only S in the end. Now there is example of giraffe. It is ending with FE. So I will simply add S in the place of FE. Now there is another example, roof. It is ending with F, so I will simply add S. But some nouns that end in F form their plural either by adding S or VES, like hoof. In the space of F, I will add S or VES, both are correct. Now scarf, if I will write S or VES, so both will be correct. Nouns that end in O form their plural by adding S to the singular. Now cuckoo, I will simply add S. Now ratio, I will simply add S. So it is the plural form of ratios. Now video, I will simply add S with O, so it will become videos. Now some nouns that end in O form their plurals by adding ES. So I will add ES with O. So first example is buffalo. So I will add ES, so it will become buffaloes. Now mango, I will add ES with O, so it will become mangoes. But some nouns that end in O form their plurals either by adding S or ES, like buffalo. It can be buffaloes. If I simply add S after O, then it will be buffalo, or I can also write ES with O. So both are correct. Now hello, hellos, I can simply add S to make it plural form, or I can also add ES to make it plural form. So both are correct. Likewise mosquito, it can be S or ES, so both are correct. Now some nouns form their plurals by changing internal vowels. Now singular form of man and plural form of man will be men. I will interchange A with E. Now likewise woman and women, A and E. Like foot, feet. What will be the plural of foot? Feet. Goose, geese. Double O will be changed into double E. Now mouse, mice. I will change OU in I. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Double O will be changed into double E. Some nouns form their plural by adding en or ren to singular. Like child, I will add ren or en, children. Singular form ox, and the plural will be oxen. Now singular form, some nouns have the same form in both singular or plural. Like aircraft is the singular form, the plural form will also be aircraft. Deer will remain deer in the plural form also. Now sheep singular and sheep in plural will be remain same. Some nouns have only plural forms, like goggles, and spectacles, sunglasses, tongs, jeans, pants, shorts, pajamas, trousers. Some nouns are spelt and spoken like plurals but have singular meaning, like civics, electronics, physics, politics, mathematics, droughts, visas, and mums. So I hope that noun number is clear to you. Thank you.